Now that I have your attention, I want to show you a secret weapon experts say catches too many fish. It swims and twitches in water, copying that of any bait fish. It's so realistic, pro anglers have sworn by its segmented design. Many anglers don't know about this must-have lure, but instead are buying expensive live bait and overpriced handmade lures. The secret is in the steel balls encased inside these lures. So when you reel or jerk these bait fish, the steel balls bang against each other, creating subtle sound vibrations heard for miles. Sound travels 1,500 meters per second underwater, so any fish in the area are attracted to your lure. These bait fish are the most realistic lures ever created and catch every species of fresh or saltwater fish. The way the lure swims and sounds is irresistible to these fish, making the lure a powerhouse choice for any tackle box. Here's how it works. Nearby fish are first attracted by the splash of your cast. Then, with the fluid swimming motion, realistic paint design, and 3D eyes, you're sure to get a wild reaction from aggressive fish. Make sure to check out our selection with combinations that have both fresh and saltwater fishing lures.